Today, I, Hardik Malik,
And I'm Mehak Varshney.
extend a warm welcome to this galaxy of an audience on the occasion of the annual day celebration, Viksit Bharat Ki Anugunj, that is going to unfold before you on the beautiful grounds of Red Fort International Public School. We deem it a privilege to be the host on this special occasion.
First of all, we would like to invite the school coordinator, Mr. Amit Gandhi sir, for his words of welcome.
I'm audible. So good evening everyone. For delay, our chief guest and guest of honor are on the way. So extremely sorry for that. So that we are now starting our 8th annual function, our 8th anniversary of our school. So I, Amit Gandhi, school coordinator, on behalf of Redford School Management, first of all welcome you with a huge round of applause for each and everyone present here. Respected parents, guardians, teachers, and our wonderful students, a very warm welcome to one and all present here. Today, as we all know, we are gathered here to celebrate our 8th annual function of Red Fort International Public School. Tonight, we will gather to celebrate not only our students' accomplishments, but also a powerful vision which you have all seen on our invitation card. Can anyone tell what was that? We have given a theme to this function. Can anyone tell? It is Viksit Bharat Ki Anugunj. So our powerful vision, Viksit Bharat Ki Anugunj, or we can say a developed India, resonating in every step and smile on this stage. Our theme, Viksit Bharat Ki Anugunj, Echoes of Developed India, is about envisioning a brighter, stronger nation that our young learners will help shape. Tonight's performance represents their dreams, their commitment to excellence, and their dedication to this nation's future. Every act you will see has been crafted to reflect our shared aspirations for India: progress, innovation, unity, and resilience. Dear parents, in this function, your role is very important. Your role in this journey is invaluable. You are the foundation that supports our young dreamers, our cadets, as they imagine new possibilities. We thank you for believing in them and for walking beside us in this educational journey. And on behalf of Red Fort International Public School, I, with my both hands below, respect you, and for your commitment and your support, I salute you also. So, as we witness their performance tonight, let us celebrate not just their talents, but the hope they bring for a developed, vibrant Bharat. Thank you for being here and for being part of this celebration. Let's sit back, enjoy, and let the echoes of Viksit Bharat Ki Anugunj fill our hearts and minds. Thank you, and once again, a very warm welcome. Till our chief guest arrive, we will show you some glimpses of our school of 2024-25 academic activities. So please, you have to wait for a while till our guest arrives. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Uttarakhand.
For the warm welcome and your constant encouragement.
Now, let's welcome the school choir, our melodious singers who are going to sing our school song, Jis Ganga Ke Behte Behte. All the cadets of our school feel a heartfelt connection with this song, and every day, with our head held high, we proudly sing this song as a mark of respect to our school. So let's welcome the school choir.
energetic. Great job to everyone involved. I take it as a privilege to welcome our esteemed guest of honor, Lieutenant Colonel Mr. Amit Parshar, on the occasion of our annual function. Welcome, sir. We hope you will truly enjoy our cultural festa.
Gentlemen, now I, Lakshmi Sadana,
And I, Sharvang Ratudi,
we are here to carry the proceedings further. We feel highly fortunate to play the host for the performances of junior cadets.
let us remind you that when it comes to flair and talent, they are always ready to leave their seniors behind. After watching their performances, you will definitely agree with this statement.
Now, moving towards an inspiring performance by PG class students. Our little ones have been waiting eagerly to take you on a roller coaster ride of laughter, innocence and charm.
So hold on tight as I invite the nursery class students to set the stage on fire with their buddy dance performance.
Let's enjoy our buddy dance.
मेरे को बताना मैं नहीं आ रहा मैं आ रहा हूँ
Another round of applause for their effort.
ठीक है लाइट जल रही है ना चेहरे पे जा पड़ेगी ना इस तरफ
Our country welcomes the different shades of other cultures. Gradually, we are becoming familiar with Western celebrations like Halloween. Now, what's Halloween? Halloween is a non-religious celebration in Europe and North America. It's a holiday that marks the spookiest time of the year, when the pumpkin sales go soaring. Horror specials sells out at the cinema and everyone is seemingly dressed up as a vampire or a zombie.
So let's put our hands together for cute little tiny tots who dressed up as ghosts and vampires are ready to dance and give you a feel of the Halloween, the atmosphere of spooky chills and thrills.
भैया आगे से मत जाइए
Hello everyone. Today we are here to show Fear and Lantern. Now we welcome you to our spooky world.
vampire. It's Halloween night, not a soul inside. I hear footsteps, who's that coming? I see a witch. Oh no! I see a witch. Save me! I see a witch. It's Halloween night, not a soul inside. I hear footsteps, who's that coming? I see a skeleton. Oh no! I see a skeleton. Hide! I see a skeleton. Ha 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 ha.
Give tiny dots are small, but they were able to send chill down your spine and make your hair stand. So they really need more appreciation. Give them a big hand, please. Do you know what makes these performances even more amazing? These little dancers have been participating so hard, learning every step to make sure they dazzle us with their talent and smile.
Absolutely. So let's get ready to cheer for our incredible primary students as they bring the stage to life with their dazzling dance.
Let's welcome them with big round of applause.
Yes, now let's dive into a world of dazzling dance. Hello everyone. My name is Chaitanya Arora. My name is Riti Johan. So Niti, do you hear the music? Something exciting to happen. Yes, Chaitanya. Now let's dive into a dancing dance. Let's go.
ये नहीं, इसको ध्यान देना इस लाइन को ना।
use it, break it, fix it, crash it, change it, melt it, grade it, chart it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, forget it, fix it. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do, baby shark.
Our next performance will be by the cadets of UKGB. Our cute little toddlers will take you to a world of circus, in which you will see the funny and colorful jokers dancing on the floor and fill the atmosphere with joy and laughter. So let's welcome the performers who will take us to the world of circus.
On the occasion of our annual day celebration. As it is Children's Day, I wish all the children present here a happy Children's Day. So on this occasion, I am going to present a poem. As we are waiting, you may enjoy the poem that I am going to recite. A child is blessed every day to fulfill the dreams and overcome hopes and fears. This Children's Day isn't just for the children, but to remind the adults today their tears. From hearts and minds, spirits and souls, children love each other with no strings. So on the Children's Day, I pray that all of us hold one another's hands and together we sing. Today in this land and all around the world, we too have the spirits to love and follow youth, as once the great people did. Thank you very much.
Hey, what happened? Why are you looking so sad? Because no one is my friend. Oh, no problem. Come with us in a world of circus.
Hey, witch doctor, give us the magic words.
Alright, you go ooh ah, ting tang, walla walla bing bang.
Alright. Ooh ah, ting tang, walla walla bang bang. 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 Doctor, I was in love with you. I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. And then the witch doctor, he told me what to do. He told me he
thanks to little performers who took a native. It translates to union and discipline. It is an ancient art that connects the mind and the body. It improves our well-being and gives us better mental clarity. We feel proud to share with you that our school focuses on the physical and mental well-being of the cadets, and daily yogic exercises are an important aspect of school life.
आज केवल भारत ही नहीं, संपूर्ण विश्व योग के महत्व को समझ रहा है, उसे अपना रहा है और इससे लाभान्वित हो रहा है। इस क्रम में अब मैं छात्र छात्राओं से आग्रह करना चाहता हूं कि वे हम सभी के समक्ष योगासन का प्रदर्शन करें, वे हमें योग से रूबरू करवाएं। तो सभी प्रतिभागियों का जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करते हैं एवं आनंद लेते हैं इस खूबसूरत प्रस्तुति का।
Well done, junior cadets.
ऋषि मुनियों की तपस्थली है, विश्व मानचित्र में चमकते नक्षत्र की भांति हिमालय की ऊंची ऊंची सूरमयी पर्वतमालाओं की गोद में स्थित देवभूमि उत्तराखंड अपनी गौरवशाली ऐतिहासिक धरोहर से परिपूर्ण है। ऋषियों और महर्षियों की तपोभूमि उत्तराखंड की पुण्य धरा पर हम आपका अभिनंदन करते हैं।
बच्चों के मन के भाव हैं, जहाँ पवन बहे संकल्प लिए, जहाँ पर्वत गर्व सिखाते हैं, जहाँ ऊंचे नीचे सभी रास्ते बस भक्ति के सुर में गाते हैं। मैं उनको शीश नवाता हूँ, मैं उनको शीश नवाता हूँ।
बस भक्ति के सुर में गाते हैं।
जहाँ पवन बहे संकल्प लिए, जहाँ पर्वत गर्व सिखाते हैं। जहाँ पवन बहे संकल्प लिए, जहाँ पर्वत गर्व सिखाते हैं। जहाँ ऊंचे नीचे सब रास्ते भक्ति के सुर में गाते हैं। से मैं दुनिया धन्य हो जाता हूँ, उस देवभूमि के दान से मैं दुनिया धन्य हो जाता हूँ। है भाग्य मेरा सौभाग्य मेरा, मैं कोशिश नवाता हूँ। मैं कोशिश नवाता हूँ, धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ। मैं कोशिश नवाता हूँ। बस लिए समर्पण मन से मैं देवभूमि में आता हूँ। है भाग्य मेरा सौभाग्य मेरा, मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ। मैं तुमको शीश नवाता हूँ, धन्य धन्य हो जाता हूँ।
Fathers, the title of poem is My Great Father. He never looks for praise, he never wants to boast, he just goes on quiet working for those he loves the most. His dreams are spelled and spoken, his wants are very few, and most of the time his worries will go unspoken too. Is there a firm foundation through all our storms of life, a steady hand to hold onto in times of stress and strife? A true friend we can turn to when times are good or bad. One of our greatest blessings, the man that we call Dad. Thank you.
And a connection toward cultural roots as well as the heritage.
There was a time when wearing dhoti was a fun moment, but now it's being into trend and normalization. The mixed blend of South Indian culture with the aura of Diljit Dosanjh's Punjabi trend, dhoti swag, is going to be the fun-loving performance of the day.
So, tighten up your dhotis and welcome the kids of grade 1A for a cocktail of fun and energy.
Ile, one second, उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाज जम के ताल ढोल, बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो, से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो, अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे बाप डोर छोड़ नाचो, तो रोट मोटा मिर्च खा के ऐसे नाचो, हाँ जा छोरे, हाँ जा गोरे, हाँ जा छोरे, नाचो 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 वीर नाचो, नाचो 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 यार नाचो, नाचो 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 कच्ची तेरी जैसा नाचो, नाचो 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 बिच्छू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो।
पंजाबी आ गया हूँ छेद ही नहीं जाते जिन्होंने मेरे गाने नहीं समझ आने होने कोई गल वाइब मैच करो हम काम चक के रखना जिन्हें भंगड़ा पाना पंजाबी आ गया
This is the thing. Do you know what I mean? Follow me. Listen to me for a second. Check it. Sing it the king. Check the record. But it's the big payback. Watch me zoom by, make it boom by. What up to all the ladies hanging out in Mumbai? Cheese make dollars, east west masala. Sing is the king, so you all have to follow. I'm trying to strike my heart. I'm trying to strike my heart. I'm trying to strike this heart. Sing
dance with them.
I already did, but in my imagination.
Get ready for the next chapter of this unforgettable night as I, Aditi Negi from grade 11th A
and I, Alia,
are taking over. Let's keep shining.
May I have your attention, please? It is my humble request to the parents, please do not stand in between.
अतिथि और उनकी शान को बढ़ाते हैं। इस मंच पर प्रस्तुति देने वाले छात्र और छात्राएं, और जब ये प्रस्तुति कुछ शायराना अंदाज में हो तो कार्यक्रम में और भी चार चांद लग जाते हैं। इसी शायराना अंदाज को कव्वाली के माध्यम से प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं कक्षा 2 के छात्र और छात्रा। जी हाँ, हम भी कव्वाली के लिए उत्साहित हैं। वैसे भी कव्वाली सूफीवाद से जुड़ी भक्ति संगीत की एक शैली है। यह धार्मिक भक्ति और ईश्वर के प्रति आध्यात्मिक निकटता की भावना को प्रेरित करती है। कव्वाली का मकसद श्रोताओं को परम आनंद की स्थिति में ले जाना है। तो चलिए आनंद उठाते हैं नन्हे कव्वालों की इस खूबसूरत सी प्रस्तुति का।
Ah
बालकों की शोभा उनकी तालियों से होती है। तो बजाइए एक बार जोरदार तालियां।
जो यह सुनिश्चित कर देती है कि प्रारंभ किया गया कार्य कुशलतापूर्वक अपनी पूर्णता को प्राप्त करेगा।
इसी भावना के साथ अब मैं विशिष्ट अतिथि महोदय माननीय लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल अमित पार्षद, विद्यालय अध्यक्ष महोदय, प्रधानाचार्य महोदया एवं स्कूल मैनेजमेंट के माननीय सदस्य श्री किशोर राव को निवेदन करती हूं कि कृपया दीप प्रज्वलन कर आज के विधिवत कार्य का शुभारंभ करें। हम आपको अपने बीच पाकर गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं। आपने अपने व्यस्ततम दिनचर्या से हमारे लिए समय निकाला। इस हेतु हम विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से आपका हार्दिक धन्यवाद करते हैं।
Our most honorable chairman sir, Dr. Shurveer Singh Bisht ji and principal ma'am to honor and will
सरस्वती विद्या की देवी है। जी हाँ, माँ सरस्वती की कृपा से ही हम ज्ञान अर्जित कर पाते हैं और जीवन के अंधकार को समाप्त करने में सक्षम हो पाते हैं। इनकी कृपा से ही हम जीवन के लक्ष्य को पाते हैं। माँ सरस्वती को शांति का प्रतीक माना जाता है। आपने भी देखा होगा कि जब हम शांत मन से कुछ भी पढ़ते हैं या कुछ भी सीखने की कोशिश करते हैं तो उसे हम आसानी से सीख लेते हैं।
इसलिए हमें माँ सरस्वती का आशीर्वाद लेना है तो हमें सबसे पहले स्वयं को शांत रखना होगा, तभी हम कुछ सीख सकते हैं और जीवन में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। तो चलिए हम सबको माँ सरस्वती का आशीर्वाद मिले। इन्हीं मनोकामनाओं के साथ अब मैं गढ़वाली सरस्वती वंदना हेतु छात्रों को मंच पर बुलाना चाहता हूँ। तो जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करते हैं अगली प्रस्तुति का।
हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। एक और सुनिए। निगाहों में मंजिल थी, गिरे और गिरकर संभलते रहे। हवाओं ने बहुत कोशिश की मगर चिराग आंधियों में भी जलते रहे। धन्यवाद।
जहां सरस्वती वंदना की रचना गढ़वाली भाषा में करने के साथ साथ इस वंदना को संगीत से सुसज्जित किया गया है और ये हमारी प्रार्थना सभा की शोभा भी बढ़ाता है। कृपया तालियों के साथ रेड फोर्ट इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल की इस महत्वपूर्ण उपलब्धि का स्वागत करें।